Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit or modify a PDF portfolio using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Open your PDF portfolio with Adobe Acrobat Pro. Select File option and select Open. And this is a PDF portfolio. There are many files including this PDF portfolio, and you can delete any portfolio. Select and delete as is. Select yes. This portfolio now delete, and also you can include new portfolio. Select plus again, select add files, and I will add this portfolio from this, and see this file now added. And also you can select right button, you can reduce file size, you can open any file and other tab. Also you can extract this file if you want. See this, extract. Yeah, this is in this way we can add, delete and extract. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.